So let's check out this. Sending this to the repeater. Sending this. Same thing. So this is the exploitation part. Last time we find out a bug, let's say, and how we find out? Like we send lip plus 10. This time we will use the 5 because 10 is it will take. See, this is waiting for the 5 second. Means we find out a bug, but how we can exploit? So for exploitation part, we find out that there is an image and we can access the image by using this. So see, there is an image, and when you are doing the like directory busting or anything, then you will find out where this is actually they are saving. But currently they already told us like they are saving, this is their original folder where www images. Same thing, like our original folder is different. Let's say if we run our Apache, then what is our original folder? Like this, where www HTML. See, this is the Apache folder. So like if you are running the Apache, then all Apache website content you can put there here. Okay. So same thing. So in this situation, all content related to image are there where www image is. So like if we can save something in this location, then we can access by this. Like see, this image is saved in this location, like where www image is, like this. Let's say let's go back and let's create a directory images and images. Yes, there is nothing, and let's say same thing. Let's see if we are accessing where www image and there is a file.jpg. So we are accessing there, this see 75.jpg, and we are accessing from where www images. Like if we can something say save there, then we can access. Let's say I send a command and told them okay, do one thing, like see, run the ls command and save the output to where www images, and this is the file name test. Okay, and I send this. So what happened? Like see, we can also do this here. Like we run the ls command, and if I want to save the content here, like see ls test.txt, this will save here. Like see, we have a test.txt, and if you want to check out test.txt, see, this is the content. So we can save by using this. So currently we are using this where www image, and I want to save there. So this is saved there, and now I can access by using there from there, because see, this is saved there. Okay, let's change it to test.txt because maybe okay, let's try to access this, because see, this is also a trial and error. We need to check out everything one by one. Okay, test.txt. See, we are getting the file content. Our file is saved, and after that we are getting them. See, this is the content. What we did, we send this command and tell them okay, output of ls, save them into the test.txt file. Same thing, like we saved that, and we are accessing this from the front end from this. And let's see, we can save the other command or not. Let's say I want to save cat tc password file into this location, and I want to check out. Let's send this, and now let's see, we will check. See, this content is visible to us. Like we can save our content in the directory which we can access, and after that we can access that directory and we can access the data. So this is an exploitation for blind command injection. See, last lab, what happened? We can save our content in a file, but sometimes see, we don't have a file, like we don't have thing like we can access everything, and we don't know. Like, see, in this situation, we know like we can save the content where www images, but sometimes developer they created directly something like this, like, and this is not very easy to find out, like where we can add our, because see, this location is very difficult to find out or brute force, like. Okay, so for that, like we can use the other blind techniques for exploitation. So for that, you can use the NS lookup tool. And what NS lookup tool? There, like this is lookup for the DNS. This will send a DNS query, and if we'll get the DNS query, means there is a bug. Because see, command is basically running there. Let's say this time, first try to find out the bug. Like bug is there or not. See, this is the request, and let's say sleep and 10 and this. We send this, and sleep is not working there. Okay, and let's say we use the pipe both, and sleep is not working. So we can try other bug and see. If not one is not working, then try to do the variations. Like, see, we don't know which can work. I already told you, use the semicolon, ampersand, use the pipe, double ampersand, backtick. So you need to use all of them one by one. Okay, so let's try the NS lookup. NS lookup, and we want to look up for the see, we don't have any DNS, so we can use the bug collaborator client for the lookup. Copy and put it there, lookup and pipe. See, let's send it, like it is looking up or not. See, we are getting the DNS request, means our NS lookup command is working there, means command injection is there. And how we can exploit this? By using the backtick. Just backtick and before before our collaborator, backtick and who am I, and backtick again and dot, and send this, and you will get the result before your DNS. See, currently we are getting this DNS I9SBG, and now we will get the command execution result before this. If you want to see, I will send this, and check out there. We get new, and see, before this we are getting the VMI result. VMI means this is the Peter. If you want to see other, let's try LS, because LS is maybe work or won't work, because LS can give the more results. So because of that, we can give the error also. See, but see, we are seeing the mail.sh. In the backend, they are running this mail.sh. Okay, and let's check another thing. You name an A. Okay, this is not working. Okay, let's try you name only. Send this, because see, there is a thing, like, see, we can only try for the single line things. Like you can try, like, cannot try like bigger things. Why? Because see, we can see only like little things here, like only single line things. Okay, you cannot get the big data. Like if you try for that, then you will get the error. But this is enough. Like if you show them, if your command is running, show them like who am I, and if you this is working, that this is more than enough. You can tell them, okay, this is an exploitation and command injection is there. Okay, so you can exploit by using this method, command injection.